Hi guys, today I want to do an unboxing of our Jewelry jewelry making kit number 4, Ocean. Our kit comes with the basic instructions, wires and beads that you'll need to complete the dolphin, anchor and seahorse pendants. Another interesting thing about our kit is that in time our wires do turn antique. So let's go ahead and open up and see what's inside. So the first couple of things that you'll see once you open up our kits are our basic instructions for all 3 pendants. And inside our instructions, we have our QR codes for the PDF file and also our video tutorial, so it's easier for you guys to follow along. The next couple of things you get in our box is our wires. In kit 4, we have 4 wires that come in it. The first one is our 20 gauge pure copper. Our second one is the 20 gauge rose silver. And our third one is the 26 gauge fine silver. And last but not least is our 30 gauge sterling silver. The last thing that you'll get in our kit is our stones and beads that you'll need to complete each pendant. Next, I'm going to show you what each pendant should look like once it's done. First, I'm going to show you our dolphin pendant. This is what our dolphin pendant should look like once done. Our second pendant that I'm going to show you is our anchor pendant, which is a fan favorite. And last but not least, I'm going to show you our seahorse pendant. If you're interested in any of our kits or other products, be sure to check out our Amazon storefront or other platforms in the links below.